Guys, today I got the detailed overview on what is a Java and what is the history of Java and the features uses in Java programming language. Let's see. What is a Java? The ChatGPT said that Java is a high-level, object-oriented and platform-independent programming language. So I have a question that what is high-level programming language? High-level programming language are the languages was written and readable and understandable by the human beings, not the machines. That languages are called the high-level language. So hence Java is a high-level language. Also Java is an object-oriented programming language. What is an object-oriented programming language? Java uses this style to organize a code into simpler way, and Java is also a platform independent programming language. What it means that Java source code, if once written, can be executed on any systems, for example Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. It is used to build desktop applications. Desktop applications are not other than the desktop software, web applications, mobile apps, especially Android applications. You can also develop games using Java programming language. And the enterprise software. What is meant by the enterprise software? Softwares that was used by the big companies. The big companies uses big systems. The big systems are developed in Java programming language. Java programs run on Java virtual machine, which make it possible to run the same program on any device. So as we know that platform independent programming language is a feature used by the Java. So if the source code once written and we need to execute that source code on another machine or another system, then we need to install the JVM in the another system. Without the JVM, the source code cannot be executed on another system. Let's see what is the history of Java. In the year of 1991, project started by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystem. James Gosling is a person who developed Java programming language, or we can say who invent the Java programming language with his golden team at the place Sun Microsystems. Yes, Sun Microsystems are a place where James Gosling invented the Java programming language. In the year of 1995, Java officially released to the public. Okay. In the year of 2006, Java became open source. What is a open source? Open source means that Java is a free to use, available for all the users or we can say developers. Open source Java has a big community by which if any error or if any warning or if any problem arrive, the Java community will solve that problem as soon as possible. In the year of 2010, Oracle Corporation, it is a community, acquired Sun Microsystems and now owns Java. As we all know, Sun Microsystems are a place where James Gosling invented Java programming language with his team, and it is acquired by the Oracle Corporations. Means Java will now goes under the Oracle Corporation. Java was originally designed for embedded systems, but later became popular for the internet because of its platform independence. Right once run anywhere. That is called as the Vora effect. Java priorly designed for the embedded system. What do you mean by the embedded system? Embedded system are those systems which only perform a single task and controls whole the system. But later popular for the internet because of the platform independence feature. We discussed about this before. Let's see what is the features of Java. The first feature is simple. Yes, simple is a feature of Java. Easy to learn and simple, similar to C or C++. Note that if you have prior knowledge about C and C++, you can easily grab the knowledge about Java programming language. Then only this feature was applicable for you. The second feature is object oriented. We priorly discussed what is object oriented. As we all know, object is a real world entity and object have its own property and own behavior. The third feature is platform independent. We already discussed about it also. The fourth feature is portable. Java code can move from one system to another without changes. If I want to move one source code from the one system to the second system, then I not need to be changed in source code from one system to move from the another system. Java is a secure programming language, protects programs from viruses and unauthorized access. This was the very important feature. That is another feature is robust. What is robust? Strong memory management and error handling. Java can efficiently handle the memory and efficiently manage the memory also. In the sense of every programming languages, memory management is a concept with very VVMP concept in every programming languages. The another feature was multi-threaded, supports running multiple tasks simultaneously. As we previously discussed about the embedded systems, as we all know, embedded systems are only runs on a single task, but this feature said that supports running multiple tasks simultaneously. So this feature was not applicable for the embedded systems. Are you understand? Yes, let's go. The next feature, that is high performance, faster than traditional interpreted languages due to JIT compiler. Yes, of course, because Java uses the JIT compiler, that is just-in-time compiler. It is of course faster than the interpreted languages. Interpreted languages are those languages that uses the interpreter for interpret a source code to the machine code, but Java uses the compiler which compile the source code into machine code, and hence it is faster than the interpreted languages. Java is a distributed language. What is mean? It supports technologies like RMI and networking for distributed applications. What is distributed mean is, just explain you through the example. I have a two systems, that is system A and the system B. Okay, and I want to transfer the data of system 1 to the data of system 2, means data of system A to data of system B. Let explain you through the example. If I have a two system, let's say system A and system B, and both the systems are installed with the same applications, but the system A are getting the user, system A are having the user details, and system B are having the details about the student background. So system A wants the data about the student background, so system A will simply call the function that is called as get student background. Simply through the features, through the functions, we can access the data from one system to another system using same application or using same system. I think you understand the distributed system. The next feature is dynamic, right? Java programs can load classes at runtime and adapt to environment changes. As we all know, Java is an object-oriented programming language, right? Java have classes. Let me tell you, classes is a blueprint for an object. For a single class, we can able to declare multiple objects. So classes acquire a memory at runtime because the classes load at runtime. Understand? And adapt to environment changes. So this is all about this Java and features and history. For such more videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.